Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, today is going to be another short video. I know I've been saying that for quite a few days now, but I've got about 2 more days where it's going to be like this, all right? So guys, today's video is going to be super short, but we're going to talk about another popular trading analysis charting pattern called the ascending triangle pattern, all right? Now guys, for those of you who are new to the channel, before we actually get started, for those of you who are new to the channel, if you are interested in trading, feel free to go ahead and try the MEXC crypto exchange. You can find a link to it in the description below this video. I personally love MEXC simply because they've got futures trading. I love futures trading. On top of that, you guys, they've got over 1,500 different altcoins for you to trade on any given basis, you guys. Whereas like Coinbase or Binance, they only have like 300 different coins for you to trade, all right? So if you are into buying up small cap altcoins before the bull market starts, MEXC is going to be the place for you to buy them, all right? Because they've got all the different coins out there, you guys. All the good top tier ecosystem small cap altcoins, all right? So guys, today we are going to be talking about the ascending triangle pattern, all right? So here's the thing, you guys, all right? With ascending triangle patterns, they're pretty easy to spot, all right? The ascending triangle is typically a bullish continuation pattern, which typically signifies the continuation of an uptrend, all right? In addition, you guys, an ascending triangle is extremely easy to draw and can be drawn onto charts simply by placing a horizontal line. Placing a horizontal line along the swing highs, or aka the resistance levels, and then drawing an ascending trend line along the swing lows, or aka the support levels, okay? So as you guys can clearly see here, this bottom section right here would be the support level. Here's a support level right here. Here's another support level right here. And you are connecting this increasing or this sloping line against all of those support levels, all right? And you've got your resistance levels up here. Obviously, you can clearly see resistance, 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 resistance. It tried to touch 4 different times and it didn't happen. That would be a clear level of resistance right there, you guys, all right? So that is typically how you would go about drawing them. They're super easy. The other thing I'd also like to note here, you guys, is that ascending triangles, they often have 2 or more identical peak highs, which allow for the horizontal line to be drawn. As you guys can clearly see here, you know, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 identical peaks pretty much, you guys. So that's what I'm talking about here. And overall here, you guys, the horizontal line indicates the historic level of resistance for that particular asset as well, you guys, all right? So now let's check out and see if we can find some on the actual chart, okay? So here's Bitcoin on the daily, all right? And we can clearly see here, you guys, here is a good example of one, all right? This is a good, probably the best example I could find of one on a very quick whim. I literally found this in a matter of 5 seconds, all right? I mean, literally, you can clearly see here we've got our couple layers, a couple levels of, you know, key resistance here. 1, 2, and 3. We got 3 spots right here. We got peak where we had peaks. Again, this is the daily chart, so that's what I'm talking about here. And we can clearly see here we've got a layer of support here, and then a layer of support right here as well. Connect the two, it forms a sloping line upwards. And then as we can see here, you guys, it ended up breaking through that resistance level right here and ended up continuing upwards further, you guys. So that is what I'm talking about here when I say that it is a continuation of an uptrend, because you can clearly see it went upwards right after that, you guys. So overall here, that is the best example of a ascending triangle that I can come up with on in a very short time frame, you guys. So if you guys got any questions about these or anything like that, feel free to ask me anything in the comments below this video. I love helping people out, so hey, feel free, you guys. I have no issues with it whatsoever. But overall here, you guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this video. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, hey, before you guys leave, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis, all right? And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the comment section of my future videos.